To enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on Realme Note 60, there's two options. The first one is to swipe your finger from top of the screen, swipe down again, and then look for the Do Not Disturb mode. And it should be here somewhere. It has this moon icon. You can click on it like that to enable it, or click again to disable it. We can also, if you can't find it right here, click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to Edit Options. Scroll down all the way and then just bring the icon with DND to the top by clicking on the plus button. Now it should be right here, and you can enable or disable it. Now the second option to do it is inside of the settings. We can move to sound and vibrations, and there's Do Not Disturb mode right here. You can turn it on right now as well, or turn it off like this. If you're interested in more of the settings, I've made a video explaining all of them, so if you're interested, be sure to check it out.